How to add Snapchat best friend you accidentally removed or blocked. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Snapchat. Once you're inside your account, click on this message icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, click on this three dot at the top right corner of the screen. Once again, click on this three dot and head over to Friend Request I have ignored. You will be able to see all of the friends that you have removed before. If you want to make them friends again, all you gotta do is accept the request. Let me accept the request of my best friend. Simply click on accept and you guys will be friends again. But if you have really blocked them, then go back and head over to your profile. Move into the settings. Inside settings, scroll down and you should see the option of blocked users. Click on it. In this page, you will be able to see all the list of the people that you have accidentally blocked or blocked on your own. So if you find their username, simply unblock them and add them again. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.